First Street High School. I know it's and the smoke detectors. Yeah, I think Mr. Judge voted me almost 50 subscribers and to a live stream.
Yeah, they should be the ones. That's what he's saying. They're going to know about all the place. They're the ones that need to get this deal done.
Firework at my house. I use all my smoke detectors. So we have to get the symbols. Symbols and things. And these things. And then for the measurements. Let me see. Let's see how far I'm at. The Edward and Carrie. Edward fire alarms. So here we go. This fire alarm company. Alright. So here it is. Are you sure it's New Jersey? And then Gentex. Come for your go station. Smoke detector. Is that a thing in here? No. Are you sure? Yeah. This was